But time waits like a pro. Oops. Is that Ramsdale? I don't think so. No, it's not. W teacher.
Bruh.
NymN, thanks for the 10 months. Welcome back. Well, that's fucking funny. Oh my god, I thought that was his dick. Shit song. Hee Oktoberfest. Prost. Beep 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 beep. Later.
Somebody just called my phone, sneezed, coughed, and hung up. I'm getting sick of these cold calls.
Did you know if you sneeze and fart at the same time, your body takes a screenshot?
Somebody just...
Ha 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 ha! My Korea's reaction when I pick her up. Also small.
Hey girl.
Get me out of here, human. The fuck?
He's 6 going on 70 years old.
Ha. Ha 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 ha. You love to see it.
You know, this is probably a silly question, but was he really that tall?
Taller.
You're kidding me.
I am kidding you.
Oh. Oh no, so silly. Elf boy, 13 buck. Oh.
Well, today, Mr. Jingles is with his friend Ro.
Eek!
He's got many animal friends, Mr. Jingles.
That's a like from me.
He likes Ro, he does. And Ro likes him.
That is adorable.
Just when you thought you have seen it all, look at this pastor delivering people with skills, bro. There is no way, man. I'm lost for words.
What?
Africa, Niger. Hey, you people will kill me, oh. Look at these skills, bro. Look, Messi who? Ronaldinho who? Neymar who? Look at, oh my days, bro. Nah, this man cannot be serious, bro. Out here really doing skills. Man really doing skills at delivering people. Someone signed
Dude, they're all
this man,
throwing.
man. This man
Fucking
got
paid actors.
Bro, he's dropping bodies like it's World War II. Man has better ball control than Lana Rhodes. Nah, somebody got to sign this man, bro. Damn.
Lockdown in China is one of the most interesting things you would ever see. In the past weeks, hundreds of millions of people were placed in some kind of lockdown in China. People were quarantined in boxes and taken out of the airport if they are partially vaccinated or suspected to have COVID. They had robots moving around spraying disinfectants in the airports. They also got drones flying through lockdown areas reminding the people to stay indoors. And they also got this dog.
Bro, this is brave to put on TikTok, man. This guy, with his name and everything, they're coming for you, dude.
strapped with megaphone making COVID announcements. As if that's not enough, even the crowd control police in China are dressed up in protective COVID.
Oh, the ice! Oh no! Can't believe he's sticking around. Who's cutting onions? Why doesn't he leave? Oof! Apollo would run away, I'm pretty sure. Eek! Yeah, time to slap it and see what happens. Adorable.
Perkele saatana
This is Velka's?
kassua pöytään ja vei saatana makkaraa perkele. Vittu.
That pizza looked good. Please don't drop it. Oh, thank you. See? This is a good video on its own. You don't get it. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Man, I'm ready to play. You guys, I know you're the underdog, but I'll tell you what, man, you got some of the best players in the world on your team, and you're representing this country, and I know you're going to play your hearts out. So let's go shock them all. Keep trusting in one another. Play as hard as you can.
Wow.
And, you know, for you and your families, your teammates, and the whole country's rooting for you.
That's a very nice message, Mr. President. The whole team is here right now, and we really appreciate your support, and we're ready to go.
Marika.
Rats are absolutely going to hate this announcement. But the rats don't run this city. We do.
This is not Ratatouille. Rats are not our friends.
What are they talking about? Well, who are these rats? Yo. Feeling kind of sad. Dude, what? Wait, I thought this was a barber shop. Oh, this makes me want to snap my fingers. Oh, crack. Okay, that was weird. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, thank you, bye. Reminds me of Henry.
You in my life, baby. I love you so much, man. You my everything. You my heart. You already know, man. I think about you every day, all day. You know, I can't get enough thinking about you. You know,
That's
I love
nice.
you, girl.
Homemade lovely soup. It is absolutely amazing.
This looks so depressing.
Some gravy, chips, peas, and ham.
Ugh.
And then dessert, ice cream and jelly.
Oh my god, British food.
Finish it off with some pomade cola.
Yo! No way. There's no way. No way. There's no way. Oh my god. That excuse you? Yo! No way. There's no way. No way. There's no way. Oh my god.
So cute. Dude, he was wearing this weird ass haircut all the way back then. Nah. I'm not gonna rub your bulgy wulgy. Hey, yo. Dude, this seems like fun. Setting a forest on fire was Pog today. Why do they do this shit again? Just as a prank or what? It's like, it like helps the forest heal somehow, right? It's weird. It's like a phoenix. Oh, they do controlled fires to prevent uncontrolled fires. It sucks though. They need to evacuate the animals first, guys. Otherwise they burn to death. Well, that's an angry cat. That's an angry cat. Damn.
Bitti ama. Bitti, yaptım bitti.
Oof.
Bir dakikalık bir şey mi?
Someone does not like syringes.
Bir dakika sürdü ya, bir dakika sürdü.
Shit.
Eyvahlar olsun.
What happened? I think they're trying to vaccinate it. Jesus. She just disconnects.
Oh. Happy Halloween.
Right, I love that video.
What are you doing?
You gotta see this.
What are you doing? Oh my god.
No,
Shut up. Don't. It's gonna spray you. Oh my god.
Are you fucking dumb, bro?
Oh my gosh.
Look at him.